Welcome to day 7 of cleaning random things in my house.
Don't even get me started on how many outfits like this that I have, because there's a lot.
But anyways, today we're doing this guy.
All right, step 1, we're gonna empty her. I cleaned this probably a week ago.
We need some milk.
Okay, I was just playing around and we got access to the filter. That is not bad at all. I'm a clean queen. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, I keep playing with this and then stuff just keeps coming out. So that's gross. Okay, 1 piece done. Or I guess that's 2.
And last but not least, we have this.
Bro. It's like 30 minutes later. My back. Oh my god. These weak arms ahead me. This vomit on. It's done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, see you tomorrow.